When I started building an email list, I never expected creating one newsletter could take hours. That experience taught me that email marketing doesn't have to be complicated. If you're trying to grow your business, you've probably struggled with writing emails, designing layouts, and sending campaigns consistently. Yet email marketing remains one of the best digital marketing strategies for building trust, increasing sales, and growing online. That's why I recommend Hostinger Reach. It's one of the most affordable AI-powered email marketing platforms available. Simply describe your campaign, and AI writes your emails, designs layouts, creates subject lines, and helps optimize sending times. It also automates welcome emails, tracks results, and helps you grow your audience easily. Click the first link in the description to join Hostinger Reach at a big discount and start smarter email marketing today.
Crowd is loud, but the ticker is screaming. Moment of truth for the man who was dreaming. John saw the spark in the heart of the machine, the greatest adventures the world's ever seen. Ooh. It's not just the digits or lines on a page, it's the spirit of people who step on the stage.